welcome to episode 57 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about how you can quickly tally up your monthly expenses. So I had to do this before I even got into actually creating a budget and trying to figure out where I want to put my money at, where I'm not going to put it at. I had to start tracking myself because I told myself, you don't have extra money. And it turns out I did have extra money. What I was doing was I was just spending money willy-nilly. I just didn't care. I was just spending money, right? So I had to start tallying these things up. So I have a free copy of a budget tracker that you guys can get. It will be completely free. I suggest that you guys download it and actually print it. So once you print it, then you'll be able to actually fill it out. And you need to start tracking yourself, like literally start tracking yourself. So pick one day out of the week and start tracking yourself. Go back, look at your statements, and put different things on there, whether or not it was a want and a need. So I'll suggest you print it out and actually highlight the ones that you fill out on your chart. And you can go back and check that week. Just do what you're going to do. You're going to do regularly. Don't think too hard. Just whatever you've been doing. Don't think, well, I shouldn't do that unless you want to. But just live your life regularly and then go back once a week and actually look for that past week. What did I spend my money on? And you can just highlight, okay, I spent on this, and that, and actually put into this tracker. Now, let me show you this tracker because I want you guys to record all of the payments that you're doing. And that's going to be in your account, whether you're using your credit card or also, if you guys are using cash, record everything because you need to know where you're actually spending your money. So here is the tracker right here. You guys, again, can download this for free. So you have different things. You have your needs. Your needs is like your energy bill, your water bill, your mortgage. Those are different needs. Your car payment. You need to do those. It's not you want out to eat or anything like that. This is your needs, your grocery bill, gas, everything that you do. Please go ahead and make multiple copies because I know I spent a lot of money. And it don't have to be a lot of money. You can be doing knick-knack things too. You may, instead of filling up your tank, you may go and get gas, $5 here, $10 there. My Uncle Ben told me when I was younger, stop doing that. You're messing up your car doing that. Fill your tank up every time. So I make sure I do that once a week now. I've been had that habit, but you want to list it. So make multiple copy of the needs tracker and then also your wants tracker. So you went to Culver's, put that down, the day, the category, it was in food, the amount, and put any notes like what made you go there. Like was driving past it, you went to Popeyes, put that down. You went to Walmart and you spent $50 because you wanted to get something from there. You went to Target, you went to Starbucks, whatever you wanted and you got it, and it's nothing that will make you die if you don't get it. You wanted it, actually put it here so that you can start tracking exactly what you're doing. Now, next we're going to talk about actually your savings and debt repayment tracker because we want to start making sure that we track these different things. So we're going to talk about this list here. Again, you're going to get all 6 of these things. It's going to be actual budgeting here too. You're going to get the monthly budget. You're going to get all of these different things for free on my website. So definitely check it out. I'm going to go over to the next video because we're going to talk about actually looking at filling in our tracker that we talked about. Whether you're saving or whether you're paying off debt, you want to actually track that. Now, before we even get into that, let me say one more thing. You want to make sure you pick one day per month to actually go over these different things. But we're going to talk about this because I want you to fill this out, but we're going to go over this in episode 59 where we actually create the budget because you need to know what you're spending your money on first so that you can actually move these different things over to your budget because everything's not going to go. If you really want to successfully save money, all these things are not going to go. But before we actually go over to our budget, just hold this, do this, hold tight on this. I want you to actually start figuring out, are you spending any extra money on saving or paying off debt too? Because you need to start tracking that. So I'll see you over at episode 50.